Yeah? Yeah. Well, pretty...
Alright, this is a quick wrap up of all the finds that I had during the hunt. There was a total of 111 coins. Most of them are here, but they're just mostly modern world coins and aren't too interesting. I set aside some ones here that I want to go further into. These two are World War I German coins dated 1960 and 1918. These are 5 George V large cents. They're pretty beat up, like this one's painted and this one's corroded, but they are still large cents. These are the 2 silver coins I found. One's from the Netherlands and one's from Australia. Both are from around 1940. This I believe is a love token and has carved an M plus A 1786. I'm not sure if that's the actual date on it. You'll probably never know. This is a Russian coin dated 1917, right during the Russian Revolution. So it represents a neat time in that nation's history. These are 2 older Mexican coins dated 1906 and 1913. This is my only American coin from the hunt, which is an 1882 Indian head cent. It has full liberty, so it was once in good shape. Unfortunately, it's been cleaned, so it doesn't have much value now. This is a German war money right here. That's what it's called. It's made out of solid iron, so you can see it's actually rusted instead of corroded. Found that was pretty neat. This was one in a raffle at 72% silver from 1952. It's a nice little chunk of silver there. This was also from a raffle. It's a sterling silver pendant, and this I believe is the best find that I had during the day. It's an 1894 Canadian large cent. There was only 1 million of them minted, so it's considered a semi-key date. Originally it had a bunch of a whitish green substance on it that couldn't be just washed off with water, so I'd use the blunt ends of a match to scrape it off. The end result is pretty good, as you can see. Can't really see any evidence of that. It looks like it's in about fine condition right now, so it does have some value as it's pretty rare. So thank you for watching this video. Got to meet some neat people there, and I'll probably do it again next year. Thanks for watching.